Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to store your wire on the Wire EDM. So this is our wire spool. So when the wire is not on the EDM, maybe you have a half spool or something like this, you should always store your wire in this orientation. Most people set their wire spools like this because when they have them sitting up this way, they tend to roll off. Problem when you store a wire spool this way, sometimes the wire can slip down on the shaft, get crossed over itself, and then the next time you load this spool on the machine, the wire's tangled. You can get some wire vibration or wire breaks because the wire's crossed over itself here. So, proper way to store a wire spool is on its side like this.